Hey there crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So you guys know what today is. It's Monday. That means we are giving away our 33rd Silhouette Cameo 3 for 2018. Nobody else has done this. Nobody else is going to do this but the Rhinestone World. So tonight at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will go live. I will be showing you some cool little trainings on rhinestoning some shoes, and then we'll be giving away our 33rd Silhouette Cameo 3 for 2018. You don't need to purchase anything to enter. All you need to do is a link right below. You'll see our Facebook page, okay? On the Facebook page, you can enter for some bonus prizes where we're going to be giving away some of our rhinestone shoe kits. And that's all up to you on how many we give away, maybe a couple mini packs for our artwork packs as well. So make sure to click on the link below this video, or maybe you saw this video from the Facebook page. Make sure to like, comment, and share that Facebook post, okay? That's gonna get you into the extra giveaways for tonight and allow you guys to make some awesome things like this right here. You can see this rhinestone shoe is pretty freaking awesome. I'm gonna do a little training tonight on applying the stones, the glues that you use on the different shoes from the different things that I've tested and what have worked best for me. What you should charge for something like this. You can run an entire business on rhinestoning shoes. It's pretty freaking crazy. And then after the training, like I said, we're gonna give away our 33rd Silhouette Cameo 3 for 2018. 33 of them. And we're gonna give one away every single week for the rest of 2018. So if you aren't subscribed to this channel right now, make sure to go click that subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell right next to it. It'll remind you and alert you every single time we send out a new video to help your business. Whether you do shirts or decals or rhinestones, whatever it is, we make videos to help you guys. So, to remind yourself about the live tonight so you don't forget, also below this video there is a link that will bring you right to the actual video and right to where the live is going to be on our YouTube channel, okay? Click that link and you can click the little button that says Remind Me. It'll send you a reminder to remind you, hey, the Rhinestone World is going live right now. You want a chance to win that cameo? Get your butt over there, learn some stuff about rhinestoning some shoes, and then we're going to give away that Silhouette Cameo 3. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these amazing giveaways and all of our YouTube videos if they're helping you. Click that like button right there if you like us giving away Silhouette Cameo 3s. And I will see all of you tonight at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks, guys. Later.